Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will see top 60 MCQs on general agriculture. It will be helpful for your exam preparation such as IBPS AFO, ICAR JRF, NSC and other PG entrances. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. Question number 1. Dash is also known as aesthetic forestry. Answer is option C, recreation forestry. Recreation forestry is the practice of forestry with the object of raising flowering trees and shrubs mainly to serve as recreation forest for the urban and rural population. This type of forestry is also known as aesthetic forestry, which is defined as the practice of forestry with the object of developing or maintaining a forest of high scenic value. Question number 2. According to National Institute of Nutrition, the fruit having highest antioxidant property is. Answer is option B, guava. According to National Institute of Nutrition, the fruit having highest antioxidant property is guava. Question number 3. Pectin is measured by. Answer is option B, gel meter. Pectin is measured by gel meter. Question number 4. Day and night are equal on. Answer is option D, both A and B. Day and night are equal on March 21st and September 23. Question number 5. Dash law deals with heat conduction in soil. Answer is option C, Fournier's law. Fournier's law deals with heat conduction in soil. Fick's law deals with diffusion of gases in soil. And Darcy's law deals with soil hydraulic gradient. Question number 6. Which of the following is not among 4-stroke of piston in 4-stroke cycle engine? Answer is option B, volume stroke. The 4-stroke of piston are suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke and exhaust stroke. Question number 7. The enzyme present in latex of papaya is. Answer is option A, papain. The enzyme present in the latex of papaya is papain. Question number 8. Concession given to Tungia farmers, that is, farmers who adopt fungia system of cultivation is. Answer is all of these. They are provided with free grazing for animals, free timber for use and schooling facility. Question number 9. Father of agricultural engineering in India is. Answer is option A, Mason Vogue. The father of agricultural engineering in India is Mason Vogue. Question number 10. In citrus, degreening is done by. Answer is option A, ethylene. In citrus, degreening is done by ethylene. Question number 11. Farmer field school concept was originated from which country? Answer is option A, Philippines. Farmer field school concept was originated from Philippines. Question number 12. Melting point of water is. Answer is option B, 32 degree Fahrenheit. Melting point of water in Celsius is 0 degree Celsius, in Fahrenheit 32 degree Fahrenheit, in Kelvin 273 Kelvin and in Romer 0 degree Romer. Question number 13. After final molting, which one of the insect regain its eyes, antennae and legs? Answer is option B, male lac insect. Male lac insect regain eyes, antenna and legs after final molting. Question number 14. Most commonly used host for lac cultivation are. Answer is option D, all of these. Palas, kusum and burr are commonly used host for lac cultivation. Question number 15. Soil air contain dash times CO2 concentration as that of air. Answer is option D, 10 times. Soil air contain 10 times CO2 concentration as that of air. Question number 16. Which of the following method of testing seed germination is suitable for small seeds? Answer is option A, Petri dish method. The method of testing of seed germination suited for small seed is Petri dish method. Question number 17. Which of the following soil have EC greater than 4 and ESP less than 15? Answer is option B, saline soil. Saline soil have EC greater than 4 and ESP less than 15. Question number 18. Which of the following is deficiency symptom of calcium? Answer is option D, all of these. Blossom end rot in tomato, blossom end rot in burr, and tip hooking in cauliflower is caused due to calcium deficiency. Question number 19. The seed class being very little in quantity and often costly is. Answer is option B, breeder seed. The seed class being very little in quantity and often costly is breeder seed. Question number 20. Chemical substance caused to attraction of yellow stem borer to the tip of leaf for egg laying in rice is. Answer is option B, paramethyl acetophenone. The chemical substance caused to attract yellow stem borer to the tip of leaf for egg laying is paramethyl acetophenone. Question number 21. In plant breeding, maintainer line is. Answer is option B, B line. In plant breeding, maintainer line is B line. A line is male sterile line and R line is restorer line. Question number 22. The allyl propyl disulfide is present in which crop? Answer is option C, onion. Allyl propyl disulfide is present in onion. Question number 23. The pest which attack below the ground level near the stem region in sugarcane is. Answer is option C, Ameloxera depressella. Ameloxera depressella is the pest which attack below ground level near the stem region in sugarcane. Question number 24. Pure live seed is equal to. Answer is option A, purity percentage into viability percentage by 100. Pure live seed is equal to purity percentage into viability percentage by 100. Question number 25. Tom thumb is the source of reduced height gene used in. Answer is option D, wheat. Tom thumb is the source of reduced height gene used in wheat. Question number 26. Host of tarser silkworm are. Answer is option D, all of these. Burr, sal and arjun are the host plants of tarser silkworm. Question number 27. The headquarters of Indian Society of Agricultural Engineering is situated in. Answer is option A, New Delhi. The headquarters of Indian Society of Agricultural Engineering is located at New Delhi. Question number 28. First stage in adoption is. Answer is option D, awareness stage. The stage of adoption include awareness stage, interest stage, evolution stage, trial stage, and adoption stage. Question number 29. Most successful system of Taungia cultivation is. Answer is option C, village. Village Taungia is the most successful system of Taungia cultivation. Question number 30. Constant pressure combustion occurs in. Answer is option A, diesel engine. Petrol engine is known for constant volume compression and diesel engine is known for constant pressure combustion. Question number 31. Central Tarser Silk Research and Training Institute is located in. Answer is option B, Ranchi. Central Tarser Silk Research and Training Institute is located in Ranchi. Question number 32. Which insect will attack sorghum at 1 to 6 leaf stage? Answer is option A, shoot fly. The insect which attack sorghum at 1 to 6 leaf stage is sorghum shoot fly. Question number 33. Shortest day in northern hemisphere is on. Answer is option A, December 21. Shortest day in northern hemisphere is on December 21. Question number 34. Blanching is commonly done for. Answer is option C, color mixing. Blanching is commonly done for color mixing. Question number 35. What is the first step in the host selection process by a parasitoid? Answer is option B, host habitat finding. The first step in the host selection process by a parasitoid is host habitat finding. Question number 36. Soil water which is held below 1/3 atmospheric pressure is. Answer is option B, gravitational water. Gravitational water is held below 1/3 of atmospheric pressure. Question number 37. Frozen materials need to be. Answer is option C, thawed. Frozen materials needs to be thawed. Question number 38. The first step in teaching and learning process is. Answer is option A, attention. The steps in teaching learning process includes attention, interest, desire, conviction, action and satisfaction. Question number 39. National Research Center for Agroforestry is located in. Answer is option C, Jhansi. The National Research Center for Agroforestry is located in Jhansi. Question number 40. The chemical used as cushioning material for food packaging is. Answer is option D, potassium permanganate. The chemical used as cushioning material for fruit packaging is potassium permanganate. Question number 41. Which among the following 7 contrasting characters of P is dominant? Answer is option C, axial position of flower. The contrasting character of P which is dominant is axial position of flower. Question number 42. The variety of banana mostly used in tissue culture is. Answer is option A, Grand 9. The variety of banana mostly used in tissue culture is Grand 9. Question number 43. Real value of seed is equal to. Answer is option D, purity percentage into germination percentage by 100. The real value of seed is equal to purity percentage into germination percentage by 100. Question number 44. Dash is a non-leguminous nitrogen fixing tree. Answer is option A, Ulmus nepalensis. Ulmus nepalensis is an example of non-leguminous nitrogen fixing tree. Question number 45. Air-fuel ratio in petrol engine for best result is. Answer is option B, 15:1. Air-fuel ratio in petrol engine for best result is 15:1. Question number 46. Allomons are favorable to. Answer is option A, emitters. Allomons are favorable to emitters. Question number 47. Rubbing or puncturing seed coat is used as a method to break seed dormancy in dash. Answer is option D, both A and B. That is castor and coriander. Rubbing or puncturing seed coat is the process in which some seeds are subjected to mechanical scarification either by rubbing them against rough surface or puncturing the seed coat with pointed needle to break the dormancy of seed. Question number 48. Dash is also known as Baster and Burner scheme. Answer is option C, TNV project. TNV project is also known as Baster and Burner scheme. Question number 49. The speed required for operation of windmill is. Answer is option A, 10 to 15 km per hour. The speed required for the operation of windmill is 10 to 15 km per hour. Question number 50. Dash is also known as black alkali soil. Answer is option A, alkaline soil. Alkaline soil is also known as solonets, black colored and so called as black alkali. Saline soil is also known as solanjak, white colored and so called as white alkali. Question number 51. National Seed Corporation registered in. Answer is option B, 1963. The National Seed Corporation was registered in 1963. Question number 52. The fruit having highest vitamin C content is. Answer is option D, Barbados cherry. Barbados cherry is having highest vitamin C content. Question number 53. Highest seed rate and destruction of the infested part reduce the infestation of which pest? Answer is option A, sorghum shoot fly. High seed rate and destruction of infested part reduce the infestation of sorghum shoot fly. Question number 54. Napier grass used against controlling which pest? Answer is option B, stem borer. Napier grass is used against the controlling of stem borer. Question number 55. Who studied Indian insect type for the first time? Answer is option C, Koenig. Koenig studied the first Indian insect type for the first time. Question number 56. Specific gravity indicates. Answer is option C, harvest index. Specific gravity indicates harvest index. Question number 57. For spraying of orchard, which sprayer is used? Answer is option A, food sprayer. For spraying of orchard, the sprayer used is food sprayer. Question number 58. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Answer is option B, the Seed Rule 1969. National Seed Corporation was established in 1963, State Seed Farm Corporation in 1969, Seed Act on 29th December 1966, Seed Rule on 1968, National Seed Program in 1975 and National Seed Project in 1988. Question number 59. Type of windmill in which axis of rotation is parallel to direction of wind? Answer is option B, horizontal axis rotor. The type of windmill in which axis of rotation is parallel to the direction of wind is horizontal axis rotor. Question number 60. The number of month coconut nuts from Question number 60. The number of month coconut nuts take from fertilization to maturity is. Answer is option D, 11 to 12 months. The number of months coconut nuts take from fertilization to maturity is 11 to 12 months. Thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for such more videos. Thank you.